Hello, I would like to show you how HMIS can help us in analyzing the data we have from our projects in the field. So as an example, let's say that we want to analyze and compare the malaria treated cases we have had in Central African Republic across the different projects we have in that country. First thing is to log into the system. Then we assume that all the data, all the figures have been already entered by the data collectors. It had been done through the option data entry in the main menu. Once we have all the data in the system, then we go to the main menu again and we select the option pivot table in order to create a table. The first thing we need to do is to specify the three main topics for analysis: the what, the where, and the when. So the what, as I said, let's select the malaria treated cases. So I come here and I search for it, malaria treated, double click. Then I said, okay, I want for the whole 2014. So I select at monthly aggregation level, previous year, and I select all the year. Then I go to organization units and I click on Central African Republic and click update. Then I have all the cases that we have had in Central African Republic by month. But we want to compare the projects. We don't want the country aggregation level figure. So I just individually select all the projects. I click update and then I change the layout in order to show the projects in the rows. Click update and now I have each project for every month, all the malaria treated cases we have registered. But I don't want to compare the months for each project. What I want is to compare all the projects for each month. So I go here again to layout, I just change the order of the data to be shown, I click update and now I have for each month all the projects together so I can compare them. Other things I can do is I don't need this column of totals because I only have one column, so it's just to repeat the data. And I want to get rid of all these empty lines that is just making the table bigger with adding no value at all. So I can come here to option and say, okay, I don't want the row totals, not the row subtotals, and I want to hide the empty rows. I clicked update and now I have only a table with the data I really have. So only the projects that I have data in the system. I still have the total at month level, so I know that at country level for January I had 9,000 cases, and I have the great total at year level in this case. Once we have the table ready, what we can do is we can save it as a favorite, so later on we can retrieve it and continue working with it. We can share with other users, so other users logging into the system can access to this table, or we can download it in Excel format. So we can work with it, we can create other things, or even share it to send it by mail to other third parties or other people. We can do as well is we can automatically create a chart from this table. So we can come here to chart and you say open this table as chart. What the system will do is to automatically create a bar chart with the data we have previously selected as a table. This is the bar chart. We have different chart types, so let's change it to a dot and lines chart. We create update. And now we have for all 2014, we have a dot for each project with the malaria treated. If we want to change that because we want to see for the whole country every month, we just come here again and layout and change and say, change the layout. I click on update and now what I have is for all Central African Republic, for each month, I have a new chart. Again, what we can do is we can save it as a favorite, so later on this chart can be retrieved. We can download it as an image or as a PDF in order to send it by mail to other people. And by here we can go directly to the main screen. And this is just a quick overview of all the analysis features we have in HMIS, and we can use it in order to help us in our decision process. Thank you very much.